Hey everyone, this is Pragati. Well, if you're one of those who do not have time to read lengthy novels or want to have good reading experience in less time, or someone who finds it extremely boring to keep turning the pages of novel and wish for it to end, well then sit back because this video is just for you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 best must-read books which are just under 100 pages. These books are so amazing that you will definitely cherish them even after reading. These are evergreen, acclaimed books which are suitable for readers of any age group. But before beginning, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as it gives me motivation to make more such videos. The very first book in my list is The Animal Farm by George Orwell. This book is a classic example of how excess power in few hands leads to the exploitation of the individuals as well as the society. This book is a satire on Russian Revolution, and the animals in this book, or the main characters, are portrayals of leaders of Russian Revolution. This book finds a lot of relevance even in this era and is a simple story with strong messages which makes it fit for readers belonging to any age group. The second book is Very Good Lives by J.K. Rowling, yet another book by the famous author of the Harry Potter series. This book talks about the benefits of failure and the power of imagination. How can we embrace failure, how we can overcome failure, and how can we use our imagination power for our as well as for others' betterment. This is a very motivating book loaded with words of wisdom in less than 100 pages and can be more suitable for youngsters or people at any turning point in their lives. The next very interesting book is The Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. This is a story of a traveling salesman who one morning wakes to find himself being transformed into a giant insect. He himself was appalled and terrified to see himself in that condition, but was even more terrified to think of the consequences it will bring to his job and his relation with his family members. The story shows the journey of his life as an insect. Now, one very important thing to note here is that it not only tries to talk about the physical transformation but also the psychological transformation that human beings undergo. Every reader is going to have their own interpretations after reading this book, but this mainly tries to emphasize the odds of alienation and solitude and is a satire on the very mean and inconsiderate nature of human beings. The fourth book in my list is Who Moved My Cheese by Dr. Spencer Johnson. Now, this book will always retain its spot as my personal favorite books and has helped people from every walk of life as it addresses a major issue of accepting or dealing with unwanted or unexpected changes in our lives. This is a simple story of two mice and two little people who act as human metaphors and about how they deal with an unexpected change in their lives. The problem and the situation for all four of them are same, but they all react in different ways as they all have different mindsets for dealing with change. So this book is a must read for people who are facing difficulty in dealing with changes. The next book in my list is The Little Prince by Antonio Saint-Exupéry. This is a story of a little boy who lives the very comfort of his own beautiful planet to embark on a journey to discover other planets where he meets different people. While some of them he finds to be a bit peculiar, he also befriends some of the others. It tries to sensitize the readers not to take things in their life for granted and to take care of their planet in every possible way they can, and the most important, to live every moment of their life happily. So this is a must-read book from the perspective of a child to the perspective of an adult. As these books are less than 100 pages, you can easily get the links for them to read online. In case you want to get the physical copy, it's totally up to you. So that's the end of today's video. If you want to get such amazing videos, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel.